नहीं वाइड में होगी। क्या यार
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है. I mean, as you know, मैंने पहले भी I've walked the ramp, but never for jewelry. So I'm really happy for first time. So as I was saying कि मैंने पहले कभी haven't walked for a jewelry fashion week, so I'm it was a very different look for me, and I'm glad that I could do it for Moni, who also comes from the same city as me, and thank you so much for making this special piece, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. जैसे आपने कहा अलग था मेरे लिए, लेकिन बहुत मजा आया.
You walked the ramp before, but then does it really make a difference wearing a jewelry and फर्क लगता है इसमें?
I think a little bit, yeah, because usually I'm going for the more lighter look, so to say, because I'm a sports person. So this is the first time I'm in such a heavy look, and a heavy kind of also not just makeup but also the jewelry. So I think it does matter. Like I said, I'm so glad that I could do it because I've never worked for jewelry before.
Something about the piece what you're wearing and something about the designer, why this particular designer?
I mean, Moni and me, I actually have a lot of stuff from her besides here. So she's, as we all know, she's makes some beautiful jewelry, and especially this piece that I'm wearing. It's from the Zorakshi collection, if I'm not wrong, and it was specially designed for me. So yeah, I feel very, very beautiful, I must say.
Being a sports person, normally jewelry से बहुत लगाव होता है.
But why not a sports person? Why not a sports person?
Exactly, ये हमारा आंसर दे रही है. No, I think as a sports person, हम लोग इंसान होते हैं. Out of that also, we're girls and we're women and we like to look nice and we like to wear nice jewelry. मुझे खासकर डायमंड से बहुत प्यार है.
सानिया, कितना अनमोल होगा जब खेल उठने के लिए आपकी सिफारिश हुई है, ये सब ज्वेलरी से वो कितना अनमोल होगा?
I think मेरे लिए definitely it's a huge honor कि मुझे सीधा स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ने has जैसा आपने कहा सिफारिश दी है. So I'm like I said, winning or not is one thing, but I think the biggest honor for me is to be nominated for such an award, and of course I think all this makes it very special.
आपने विंबलडन जीता है मार्टिना हिंगिस के साथ, इसके पहले जुलियट को किया था. विंबलडन जीतना वो भी वीनस डबल्स में जो कितना अलग है, जो 3 बार आपने ग्रैंड स्लैम मिक्स डबल्स भी जीता.
I think विंबलडन जीतना हर बच्चे के लिए जब वो टेनिस रैकेट उठाता है एक ख्वाब होता है. तो मेरे लिए I feel very privileged that I'm not just able to live my dream but also achieve it. So for me it was a dream come true, and I'm so glad that I was able to share it with India when I got back.
डिजाइनर की खासियत होती है, अपनी खूबी होती है. What I would say about her?
I think Moni's खासियत is she makes everything very royal. चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, it could be as something as small as मतलब just a small stone, but I think her touch of it makes it very royal, and that's how I feel right now.
सानिया, IPLT होने आ रहा है, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे? कितना सच मानती है सुस्ती?
नहीं, ये लीग ऑब्वियसली लास्ट ईयर बहुत सक्सेसफुल रही है, और बट वे जस्ट राइट नाउ मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बिफोर IPTL एज मैं US ओपन है, US ओपन से पहले है, चैम्पियनशिप्स है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बट या आई थिंक वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
2015 का फोकस अभी क्या रह गया?
आई थिंक कि जो दो मेरे गोल्स थे इस साल के, वो एक था नंबर 1 होना और एक ग्रैंड स्लैम जीतना, जो बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड मैंने दोनों कर लिए. सो होपफुली like I said, maybe US Open, it would be great to win another slam before it's over. Okay, thank you.